Oh, Hen, I love you.
I love you too.
So can we date for a baby while we kiss?
Yeah, let's do this. Yay! We got the chick!
Alright, while the Rooster and Hen dated for a chick, Scarlet Plangaroocaw, can you turn Rooster into dust? Of course, Police MC, I will turn Rooster into dust so Chicken and Chick can react. Time to do this.
Not a rooster! No! My rooster died!
Now let's spawn large predators that includes lion, tiger, crocodile, gray wolf, arctic wolf, and polar bear to kill the chicken and the chick. Alright, the chicken and the chick are dead. Now let's go back to the jungle. Good idea. And as the 9 of you, you are ungrounded. And for a reward, you will be ruining the Pelican's pool party with the Seagull, Anhinga, Pekin duck, Canada goose, Egret, Mallard female, and the Swan by summoning predators to attack them in the water until you earn pringles.
Thanks, Capybara.
No problem.